قد يسرنا القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Welcome back, dear brothers and sisters. I welcome you all to Medina Book 3. Inshallah, we'll be doing class 34 today. So going forward, what we are doing is we are doing exercises today from lesson number 9, where we're learning about the noon, the concept of kila, and we're learning about the Ismul Ishar of our duals, inshallah. So Ajib anil as'ilatil atiyati. So we're going to answer. So we know Ajib is fa'al amr, ajaba yujibu ajib. Answer the following questions. Manil lazi nasiya daftarayhi. So who is the one? That who. So allazi is ismu mawsula, and we know then we have silatul mawsul. So nasiya is coming as a silatul mawsul, and daftarai, so we know daftarai is daftaraini. So when it becomes mudaf, the noon is dropped. So we have, and who is the mudaf ilayhi, daftaraihi. So here daftarai is coming as maf'ulun bihi. That's why it is mansub for the fa'al nasiya. Who is the one who forgot his book? So we know it is Majid who forgot. So we're going to say that huwa Majidun. Lima la yahduru akhwa Mas'udin. So why did they not attend? La yahduru, it is la nafiya. Akhwa, again you know akhwani. So here akhwa, it is marfu. How do we know marfu? It is alamatu raf'ihi al alifu li'annahu musanna. So this is coming as a fa'il for yahduru. So brothers of Mas'ud, why did they not attend? The brothers of Mas'ud. So we can say la yahduru akhwa Mas'udin li'anna kilayhima maridun. Because both of them were marid, they were sick. So I can also say li'annahuma musabun bi ishalin shadidin, because they were stricken with the severe diarrhea. Or you can also say la yahduru akhwa mas'udin li'anna kilayhima. So again kilay, we know it is here it is why we have kilay here. So we know inna anna ka'anna laita lakinna la'alla. So it will have ism, mansub and khabar marfu. Here kilay, it is a mansub. It's coming as a ism for li'anna, because both of them, kilayhima maridun is your khabar for li'anna. So both of them were sick. So aina mudarrisul Quran al-Karim. So where are the teachers of the noble Quran? So we know they were in the ijtimai. So we can say mudarrisul. So what are we looking here? Mudarrisuna. So becomes the noon is dropped because it is becoming mudaf and mudaf ilahi, and that is a nath. So the teachers of the noble Quran fi ijtima'in ma'al mudiri. So in the meeting, in the gathering along with the head teacher. So ta'ammal ma'yali. So ta'ammal means ponder that which is following. So here we're going to see again the same concept is being repeated so that we get really strong understand that what is happening in this lesson is, if you see hada kitabun. So what we are doing here is, when we make kitabun tanween, we know tanween means the which has been nonatized, means this noon, the sound of noon is given. So here we take away that hada kitabullahi. So the noon is not, the sound of noon is not said. So yuhzafu at-tanweenu. So the tanween is dropped عند الإضافة, when the idafa is made. So idafa means when it is added, when it is made mudaf ilayhi. So we're gonna bring some examples. Ainul bintani. So Ainul bintani. So where are the daughters? Two daughters. Al bintani. So this is what we're going to see here. So we got al and we got noon. So we're going to see when this noun, the definite noun, when it becomes mudaf, how does it look? So we're going to say Aina binta Hamidin. So what are the things we've dropped here? So we've dropped al because we know the mudaf cannot have al. Okay, and also because it is a dual, so you cannot have noon. but we're gonna see that alif is written because a sign of marfu. So where is the daughters of Hamid? Two daughters. Ra'aytu bintaini. So I saw two daughters. Bintaini. So if you want to make this mudaf ilahi, Ra'aytu bintai Hamidin. Again, the noon is dropped here. So here this is coming as a maf'ulun bihi mansubun alamatu nasbihi al-ya'u li'annahu musanna. Ja'al mudarrisuna. So we're gonna bring Jama Mudhakkar Salim, the same concept again here. So just gonna revise. So the teachers arrived. So we're gonna say Ja'a mudarrisul fiqhi. Again, we just got to remind ourselves that the fa'il can be a plural noun, but the fa'il has to be singular. But if we bring ja'u, already in the fa'il, the waw represents whom, then you cannot have two fa'ils representing the same thing. That's the reason you use a singular fa'il, and the fa'il can be singular or plural. So ja'a mudarrisul fiqhi. So here waw represents the sign of marfu here. Abhasu an. Abhasu means I am looking for. Abhasu always comes with harf jar an. Al mudarrisina, and this is your ism majrur al mudarrisina. So if you want to make this as a mudaf, so then again we have to make sure that we don't put al and we drop the noon. So how we will say? So abhasu an mudarrisil fiqhi. Abhasu an mudarrisil fiqhi. So what's happening here? تحذف نون المثنى ونون الجمع مذكر سالم عند الإضافة. So the noon of the جمع مذكر سالم and the noon of مثنى is dropped when it becomes a مضاف. تعامل أمثلة الآتية للمثنى وجمع مذكر سالم محذوفة نونها للإضافة. So the same thing here. So again, just ponder over the examples and just understand what is happening in the sentences here. اغسل. So غسل يغسل. اغسل means wash, giving فعل أمر مجزوم يديك. So يدي is your يداني. So that we need to understand whether it is Jama Mudhakkar Salim or dual. So we know the parts of the body which are in pairs. Okay, that is will come later on. So it is considered as a muannas. I was going to tell that, but yadani means two hands. So yadaini will be mansoob form, majroor form. Here we need maf'ulun bihi mansoob, so it will be yadaini. So if that becomes mudaf, so yadai and ka is a mudaf ilayhi. So your two hands wa rijlaika, your 2 feet. So wash your hands and feet, that's what it means, but more specific will be 2 hands and 2 feet. Ibn Ali fil jamiati. So ibna, see this alif tells the sign of muthanna and it is marfu, coming as a mubtada, wa huwa mudaf, and aliyin is mudaf ilayhi, and fil jamiati jar majrur shibu jumla khabar. So the sons of Ali, 2 sons of Ali are in jamia. Wa bintahu, see bintahu means 2 daughters, fil madrasati. So again ibnani, the noon is dropped, bintani, the noon is dropped here. Babal masjidi maftuhani. So baba, it's not babu, it's baba. This alif tells it's musanna. Babani, the noon is dropped, al masjidi is mudaf ilayhi. The 2 doors of masjid maftuhan. So again maftuhan, the khabar has to match the mubtada. So we're talking about 2 doors, we have to give khabar about the 2 doors. Here both of them are open, maftuhan. So here this is alif is a sign of marfu. Qara'atu, so I read fi hadhihi al-majallata, fi hadhihi al-majallati. So al-majallati coming as a badal. I read in this magazine maqalan an Muslimil Hind. Maqalan means a passage or an essay about, an essay about what? Muslimil Hind. See, we're going to concentrate here. Muslimi is muslimina. So an is harf jar. We're looking for ism majrur. So muslimina, because it's becoming mudaf to al Hind, so noon is dropped. So the Muslims, so this is a plural, the Muslims of India. What is it? Uridu. Uridu an abi'a darrajatayya hataini. See, I want. Again, we know arada yuridu. It will have al-masdar mu'awwal coming as maf'ulun bihi. So an abi'a means to sell. I want to sell. What do you want to sell? So again, we need maf'ulun bihi for abi'a. So darrajatayya. See, darrajatayya. So what is darraja? Darrajatun means your bicycle. So you got two bicycles and it belongs to you. So darrajatani and darrajataini. So darrajataini, when the noon is dropped and ya mutakallim is added, then we get idgham. So that is why we have shadda here. My two bicycles. And again hataini, we know when ismu ishara comes after this, so it is coming as a naat. So how do we say? Hadani, hadihi and hatani, that is the dual for marfu, and hataini is mansub and majrur here coming as a mansub. So that's why we have hataini. These two vehicles, two bicycles of mine, I want to sell. That is how we understand this sentence. Ma ara. So ma again harf nafi. I didn't see. Ahadan. So see what? So ahadan is your maf'ulun bihi. I did not see anyone. Min mudarrisil tafsiri. I did not see anybody from the teachers of the tafsir. So again here it is coming plural, it is not dual. So we need to recognize which is the plural and which is the dual. So how we can recognize here? Mudarrisina. So here the noon is dropped and the tafsir. So the teachers of tafsir. 7. Yadrusu fi hadihil madrasati mi'ata talibin. So again yadrusu, we're looking for this is fi'l mudari', looking for fa'il. So we cannot say it is mustatir because you have to look into the sentence. So studying in this school, fi hadihil madrasati, who is studying? So we are looking for the fa'il. So here mi'ata is your fa'il, so alif with the sign of marfu li'annahu muthanna. So mi'atani, so noon is dropped, that's why we got here mi'ata talibin, 200 students are studying in this madrasa. Ishtaraitu. So ishtaraitu, form 8. So I purchased. Purchased what? So it's hadihi, that is your maf'ulun bihi. Hadihil, what is this? It has to be arikatun. Arikata, it's not irikata, there's a typo error here. So it should have been arikata, which means sofa. I purchased this sofa. Bi mi'atai riyalin. So again see, bi mi'atai. So mi'ataini means 200, coming as a ism majroor, but because it is becoming mudaf, so what we have here, the noon is dropped and riyalin is your maf'ulun bihi. So I purchased this sofa for 200 riyals. Sahabtu. Sahabtu. Sahaba. Yashabu means it to draw something. So here it means to draw money from the bank. So I withdrew today al-yawma alfay riyalin min al-masrifi. So I took out today alfay, again alfani. So took out what? So again we need maf'ulun bihi. So alfani, alfaini is 2000, but because it is becoming mudaf, so alfay riyalin. So I took out today 2000 riyals min al masrifi, from the bank. The bank. Ghammadal maridu. So here it's a typo again here. So ghammada is a form to fa'al, to close. The patient closed to what? Aynaihi. Aynaihi, his eyes. The patient blinked or he closed his eyes. Aina abawaka ya Anas. So again we need to understand here. Aina means where. Abawaka. So abawa is your abawa. Abu is your singular, which means father. Here abawa means two. It's not about two fathers, it means parents, both father and mother. So this is how it is used. If you want to say parents, you say abawa ka abawahu. So it means two parents, which means both father and mother. It doesn't mean two fathers. Ya Anas, where are your parents? Ya Anas. Again, the next one is قال تعالى. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said في سورة المسد. So what is it? في سورة تبت يدا أبي لهب وتب. Very beautiful ayat. So we're going to analyze this. Alhamdulillah, we should be able to understand everything from this ayat now. Let's see. So tabbat. So what is the fa'al here? Tabba is a muda'af. So where the ayn kalima and lam kalima is repeated. So why do we have taw tanisi here? So we're looking for the fa'il. Where is the feminine fa'il? We don't see any ta marbuta here. But if we just go back to our book one, we remember if we said that any pairs of any parts of the body which are in pairs, they are considered as a feminine. So what is feminine here? Yadani. So yadani means two hands. Two hands, they are in pairs. That's why it is feminine. That's why we have tabbat. So again, yadani, because it is becoming mudaf, so the noon is dropped. The hands of perish. The hands of whom? Abi. So he is coming as a mudaf ilayhi. So we need to understand here why we have ya here. So we remember that Abu is your min al-asma al-khamsa. There are 5 special nouns where waw is the sign of marfu, alif is the sign of mansub, and ya is the sign of majroor. So here Abi is not my father. This ya is not ya mutakallim. We should not get confused here. This ya is sign of majroor li'annahu min al-asma al-khamsa. So perish the 2 hands of father of whom? Lahabin. So that's a mudaf ilayhi. Father of Lahab. So is Lahab definite? Even though we see tanween here, yes, it is definite. Li'annahu alamu, because it's a definite noun. So that is how all the knowledge needs to come together here. And wa tabba, and he is also doomed. Tabba means that is the proper fa'il here. So he is perished. Perished the 2 hands of Abi Lahab, and he is also perished. Subhanallah, the punishment Allah is mentioned in this ayah is severe here. So both hands of Abu Lahab and he himself is perished. Iqra, read that which follows. Ma yali, iqra ma yali, summa uktubhu, and again write it. Ma'a kitabatul arqami al-waridata, and write the numbers that are following in it. Bil hurufi. So basically the numbers are given, so you need to write those numbers in the letters form. So let's see what Dr. Ibrahim has to bring us. Ja'a min as-sin hadha al-aam. So what is this? 200 hajjun. So Ja'a, again we are looking for the fa'il, so we have to be very careful. So we know fa'al, fa'il, maf'ulun bihi, they come in a sequence. So we shouldn't be very quick to say the fa'il is mustatir. We have to look into the sentence. So Ja'a, they arrived. Who arrived? Min as-sin, from China. Hadha al-aama, this year. So still we are not looking. We don't know who has come. Again, mi'atani, 200. But because mi'atani is becoming mudaf, so we say mi'ata hajin, 200 pilgrims. So how do we write? So we write mi'ata hajins. Jal sin. So is alif a sign of marfu? Yes, it's sign of marfu because it is coming as a fa'il. So this is how we need to relate. Uridu, I want. So what do you want? Again, see, mi'ataini. So mi'atani. So we have to go from mi'atani and then make it mansub mi'ataini and make it mudaf. So it's a mi'atai. Nuskhatin, I want 200 copies. Nuskhatin min hadal kitabi, from this book. So I want 200 copies from this book. So how do you write this? Mi'atai. So take the noon away. So we write mi'atai. Uridu mi'atai nuskhatin. Ishtaraitu, I purchased. Purchased what? Hadihi sa'ata. So hadihi is your maf'ulun bihi. I purchased this watch. Bi, again bi harf jar. We need ism majroor. So how do you make ism majroor? So go to mi'atani, mi'ataini. Take the noon away. So it becomes mi'atai. So I purchased this with بمئتي ريال for 200 riyals. عدد الطلاب عدد الطلاب the number of students. الهنود coming as a not. So the number of Indian students بالجامعة in Jamia. So again you see عدد is coming as a مبتدا. So again what we need to see is the number of students in the Jamia. We haven't got the khabar. We're still looking for the khabar. So we have mi'atani. So here we have to write completely because it's not coming as a mudaf. It's coming as a on its own. So write mi'at. So the fifth one. So it is 1000. So how do we say 1000? Alfun. So it's not 2000. It's alfun. So we know whenever do two things, so we get first and that means we're comparing. Okay, so let's see what is it we're asking here. Alfu junayhin. Junayhin means pounds. 1,000 pounds. Dafa'ata means to pay. So we know dafa means to push, or it also means to pay. So did you pay 1,000 pounds, or what do you say here? Alfani. So here we got alfun, alfa junayhin, dafa'ta. So alfa is coming as a mafulun bihi. So you paid what? That is alfa. So again we're looking here. So this is has to be mawtufun ala, again mafulun bihi. So alfani will be alfaini. Alfaini. If you want to make mudaf ilayhi, so then we have to make alfai junayhin. Alfai junayhin. Alfa junayhin dafa'ata alfai junayhin. So very subtle change in the pronunciation, but it makes a lot of difference. Is it 1,000 pound, 1,000 riyal, 1,000 pounds, or 2,000 pounds did you pay? Asha. Asha means he lived. He lived. Who lived? Isa. So that is the fa'il for Asha. So he lived. Isa alayhi salam, he lived. When he did? Qabla. Before, again qabla we know it's zarf, but what happens after that? Comes as mudaf ilayhi. So mudaf ilayhi is majroor. So again it is coming as wahuwa mudaf. So it has to be alfaini, and that we take the ya noon away and it becomes alfai sanatin. So Asha Isa alayhi salam qabla alfai sanatin. So before 2,000 years. Indi. Again it says zarf shibu jumla khabar muqaddam, and we are looking for khabar mubtada. So here mubtada is alfun. So alfu riyalin. So alfu riyalin, because it's coming as a mubtada, that's why we have damma. Wa indaka, I have 1,000 riyal. Wa indaka, again this is zarf shibu jumla khabar muqaddam. So we're looking for mubtada. So here see there is no mudaf ilayhi, so it's just on its own. So we say alfani. Wa indaka alfani, and you have 2,000 riyal. So if you have to make like alfu riyalin, if you have to make mudaf ilayhi, it will be alfa riyalin. Wa indaka alfa riyalin. If you take away riyalin, it will be alfani. Wa hadha al mabla'u yakfina. And this, what is mabla'u means? This amount of money, or this cash you can say, is sufficient for us. Yakfina. So yakfi, kafa, yakfi, to be sufficient. So here fa'il is mustatir yadullu ala mablaghu. So وهذا المبلغ يكفينا. يدرس بالجامعة. So again we're looking درس يدرس, looking for the fa'il. So here number is coming as a fa'il, here 2,000. So again make it fa'il وهو مضاف. So alfa talibin. So be alfa with alif. Alfa talibin min duwali Asia, from the Asian countries. Duwali means plural for dawlun, so means country. So it for Asia means Asia, from Asian countries. So 2,000 students study in the Jamia from Asian countries. So again the next exercise here, adif. So again adif here means adafa yudifu. Adif means to make mudaf ilayh, to add to a noun. الكلمة الأولى إلى ثانية فيما يلي. So to the first word, join with the other word by making idafa. That's what it means. We got two words here, ibnani and hamidun. So if you want to make mudaf mudaf ilayhi, it's a very easy exercise. Take the noon away, make mudaf ilayhi majroor. That's it. So it will be ibna hamidin. So next one, if you want to say bintani rashidun. So if you want to make it mudaf mudaf ilayhi, it will be binta rashidin. Nafidatani. So two windows, al-ghurfatu, the rooms. So we get two windows of the room, make it mudaf mudaf ilayhi. Nafidata. So how do we pronounce it? Nafidatal ghurfati. Nafidatal ghurfati. Muslimul yabani. Muslimuna al-yabanu. So what we do here again, take the noon away. So it will be Muslimul yabani. Banuna. So very important word. We get a lot of this in the Quran. Banuna Israelu. So Israelu. So another name for Yaqub al-Islam. So if you want to make this mudaf ilahi, so take the noon away. So it will be Banu Israel. Banu. So we have to prolong it. Dhamma. Banu Israela. Why Israela? Doing the mudaf ilahi because it is dipped of mamnu' min sarf. So it will be Israela, Israela, mansub and majroor. So if we see in the Quran, so what do we find? We find a lot of places say Ya Bani Israel. So what is this Ya Bani Israel? So it's Banuna. If you make it, we know whenever there is harf nida and if a combination of murakkab mudaf mudaf ilayhi, the mudaf is always mansub. So if you want to make Banuna mansub, it will be Banina. So Banina, take noon away, and then if you take noon away, it will become Bani. So Ya Bani Israela. So now we understand when you hear in the Quran Ya Bani Israel means oh children of Babanil Madrasatu. So again, very quick one, we can do this. Babal Madrasati. Babal Madrasati. The next one, Mudirun al Madarisu. Mudirun al Madarisu. Mudiruna means head teachers of the schools. So just take the noon away. So do Mudirul Madarisi. So just make sure you do it properly. Yadani Anta. So just be careful when we're looking here. So Anta is a marfu form of pronoun. So we want to have a majroor form of pronoun, which will be ka kumakum ki kumakunna. Okay. So here, if it is Yadani Anta, so if you want to say your two hands, will be Yada ka. Yada ka, your two hands. Abawani ana. Abawani, I also said it is not two fathers. Here it means parents. Ana means mine. So again, ana is your marfu form of pronoun. So you have to get a majroor form. So it will be abawa ya. Abawa ya. So we know why you get fatha here, because alif is also having a sukoon, ya mutakallim having a sukoon, but that we can't drop anything, so we give fatha. Abawaya, so my parents. Ainani means two eyes. Here. So here means that is the marfu form. What is the majroor and mansub form? It will be ha. Here will be ha. So how do we say aina ha? Aina ha means her two eyes. So we got the same thing again here, just a repetition of Abawaya. The next one, Thanni. Thanni means make musanna. So making musanna, so it's an ordering. Thanni. Al kalimatil lati, the words that which, al lati, that is tahtaha khattun. So under which there is a line. Fil jumlatil atiyati. Fi jumalil atiyati. So in the following sentences, change the word into dual, which are underlined. It's a simple one. Aina ammuka ya Ibrahimu. So where is your uncle? So we have to make uncles. Amma means uncle. So ammani. So take the noon away. It will be ammaka. So aina ammaka ya Ibrahim. So we make 12. Very good exercise. A lot of practice here, mashallah. This is a new concept, so Dr. Abdurrahim brings a lot of practice so that we remember this. Definitely, we don't forget this concept. Irfa yadaka, raise your hand. So when we raise your hands, so we say irfa yadaka. Sorry, irfa yadaika, because irfa, so we're looking for madfulun bihi, yadani, yadaini, yadaini. So take the noon away. So we are yadai and ka is your mudaf ilayhi. Irfa yadaika. So raise your two hands. Maza qalatil imrati libintiha. So again, what did the woman? So qalat al imratu. Imratu means, here it means woman. What did the woman say? Li bintiha. So li harf jar binti ism majrur huwa mudaf and ha mudaf ilayhi. So if you want to make this again as a majrur muthanna, so you say bintu, just make it bintani marfu, then make it mansub bintaini, bintaini. So take the noon away, it'll be bintaiha, li bintaiha. So that is what did the woman say to her two daughters. Ghasaltu rijli, I washed my feet, my foot here, rijli. So if you want to make rijlani, rijlaini, rijlaini, again ghasaltu is tu is the fa'il and rijlai will be your maf'ulun bihi, and ya again ya mutakallim, if you make it will be rijlayya. So that's why we get shadda here. Ghasaltu rijlayya. Ahada tilmizuka. So tilmizu means student. Is this your student? So again you have to be careful. So we have to look here. Is your harf istifham. Again hada coming as a mubtada, that is the khabar. So we know mubtada and khabar has to match. So if we are just changing this into dual, what happens to the mubtada? That has to be changed as well. So we'll have hadani, ahadani tilmi zaka. This is typo error here. Tilmi zani will be tilmi zaka. Are these two your students? Hadani tilmi zaka. Khuz risalataka. So take your letter. Take your letter. So again, so khuz remains khuz. So it will be maf'ulun bihi. So what do we get? Risala taini will be risala taika. Take your two letters. Ba'a. Ba'a means to sell. He sold. Who said? Uqashatu. Uqashatu is like Usamatu. That's a name. Talhatu is a male name but ending with ta marbuta. So he sold. Uqashatu sold. Sold what? Baita. Baita is your maf'ulun bihi. Wa huwa mudaf, and who is mudaf ilayhi? Baitahu, his house. So if you want to tell he sold his two houses, so say Ba'a uqashatu. Again, go it step by step. Baitani, baitaini, baitaini. Take the noon away. Baitai, he. So we don't say who, we'll say he because of the ya, who changes into kasra. So uqashatu sold his two houses. Hada sivaru. Sivaru means bangles. Hada sivaru thamanuhu mi'atu riyalin. So very nice sentence here. Let's see if we can say hada is your mubtada, and as-siwaru we know it is a badal. So what comes after badal? Hada with al is badal. So this bangle, sorry, this is hada, siwaru means bangle, this bangle. So now we're looking for the khabar. So where is the khabar here? So if you see here, thamanuhu mi'atu riyalin, so that's the badal, and this whole thing is coming as a khabar. What is this whole thing? This is jumlatul ismiya. Jumlatul ismiya. So what is jumlatul ismiya has? It will have mubtada again. It will have khabar. Thamanu is your mubtada number 2, and who is a mudaf ilayhi? Thamanuhu, price of it is mi'atu, 1000 riyal. So price of it is around 1000 riyal. This whole thing is coming as a khabar for hada. So now we got to change this mi'atu into 2000. 200 is 100 riyals. So make the price for 200 riyals will be hada thivaru thamanuhu. So it will be mi'ata riyal. Mi'atu means 100. Mi'ata means here it means 200. So this bangle, the price of it is 200 riyals. Hope you understand that. A'ataitu. al-ajira. So I gave. A'ata yu'ti, to give or to grant, to give. Al-ajira means it comes from ajar, the person who works for wage. So here I paid the worker, al-ajira. So al-ajira is coming as a maf'ulun bih. So a'ata will always have two maf'ulun bihs. I gave him something. So I gave the worker what? Mi'ata riyalin, 100 riyals. So if you want to make, to give him 200 riyals, I would say a'ataitul ajira mi'atai. Mi'atai, it's not mi'ata because coming as a maf'ulun bih. It will be mi'atai riyalin. Number 10. Akhuhu, again is min al-asma al-khamsa. When it is marfu, it will be waw. Akhuhu tabibun. So we want to change, his brother is doctor. So if we change, again we got to be again careful here. When we changing mubtada, you have to change khabar as well. So akhu will become dual. It will be akhawani. So akhawani, take the noon away, it will be akhawahu. His two brothers will be tabibani. Not tabibun. It will be his two brothers, one doctor. That is not how it's said. It will be two doctors. Tabibani. Tabhasu. So bahatha yabhasu, it always comes with an. So tabhasu means she is looking. So ta tells us it has to be feminine or it can be anta. So here it's, if you see feminine fa'il, Fatimatu. Fatimatu is looking for. What is she looking? Akhiha. An is harf jar, ism majroor. Here علامة جره الياء لأنه من الأسماء الخمسة وهو مضاف. How is it مضاف إليه? So now we have to make, she is looking for two brothers. So again akhu, so make akhawani and akhawaini. Okay, so akhawaini, take the noon away, so it will remain akhawai. So tabhasu Fatimatu an akhawaiha. Akhawaiha. Hope you all getting this. Mata. Mata means he died. Who died? So we're looking for the file. Abu is the file. We know waw is the sign of marfu. Mata, Abu, who is a mudaf ilayhi. So if you want to change it for both the parents now. So both the parents, how do you say? Abawani, and take the noon away. We want to keep the marfu form. So take the noon away, it will be abawahu. So both the parents died. أضف الأسماء الآتية إلى ياء المتكلم واضبط الياء بالشكل على ما بأن يأتي المتكلم ياء المتكلم مفتوحة مع اسم آخره ألف أو ياء ساكنة. So what is this? Here it means to make the following nouns into idafa with ya mutakallim. Okay, and vowelize the ya accordingly, and from ya mutakallim with fatha. So what happens? It will get a fatha if it comes at the end. There is a alif. So whenever there is a alif and ya mutakallim comes after it, so it will get fatha. So that's the whole exercise here. So we have to make mudaf by giving. So akhawani. So if we see alif here, so what we want is that. So when we make put ya mutakallim, so take the noon away, and that ya will get fatha. So maftuhatun here means to get a fatha. So it will be akhawa ya. So very simple exercise. Quickly we're gonna go through this. Ukhtani will be ukhta ya. So my two sisters. Again abawani, the parents. So my parents will be abawa ya. So fatha at the end. Sadiqani will be sadiqaya. Zamilani, sadiqani means two friends. So my two friends will be sadiqaya. Zamilani, my two colleagues. So zamilaya, my two colleagues. Yadani, two hands. My two hands. Yadaya. Ainani will be ainaya, two eyes. So hope we are getting all the meanings as well. So here, hopefully this is the last exercise. We're gonna finish now. أضف الكلمات التي تحتها خط إلى ياء المتكلم واضبط الياء بالشكل. Okay, so Again, make idafa for the number, the words which are underlined with ya mutakallim. So again here, what we have got a majroor form, mansub and majroor form. So again, we have to vowelize the ya properly. Ghasaltu, I washed what? Rijlaini, the 2 feet. So if you want to make it mudaf ilahi, remember, so this is al is there. So when it becomes mudaf, so the al goes away. So we want to say ghasaltu rijlayya. So rijlaini will be rijlai plus ya mutakallim. So we'll get an idafa. Ghammatul aynaina. Okay, the eyes blinked or the eyes closed, the blinking. So if you want to say my eyes, so take the al away. Ghammattu aynayya. Ghammattu aynayya. Da'awtu, I invited the 2 friends. So if you want to say my 2 friends, da'awtu sadiqayya. Very beautiful exercise, mashallah. Sa'altu zamilaini. So I asked my 2 colleagues. So you want to say I asked the 2 colleagues. So if you want to say sa'altu zamilayya. Rafa'tu yadaini. So rafa'atul yadayya. My 2. I raised my 2 hands. Al ustazani. See, al ustazani. You got to be careful. Dr. Abdurrahim will catch you with different nouns here. Min Misra. So the 2 teachers are from Misra. Al ustazani is mubtada. So we know mubtada is always marfu. So how do you say al ustazaya? So it's not zayya. So just to catch you here, it will be ustazaya. My 2 teachers are from Misr. And aina wajadtal daftaraini. So where did you find? Wajada yajidu, to find. Where did you find al daftaraini, the 2 books? Al daftaraini is your mafulun bihi. So we're asking my 2. So we said aina wajadta daftariya. So again here it is coming as mafulun bihi mansub. Innal akhawaini amilani jalilani. So inna, we know inna will have ismu inna, mansub and khabar marfu. So here ismu inna, so akhawaini, the 2 brothers are hard workers. So we want to say innal akhawayya. So just take the dhahabna ila makkata bi sayyarataini. So we went to Makkah with 2 cars. So we want to wait be with my 2 cars will be sayyara tayya. Bi sayyara tayya. So we'll get ya with shadda. Da al qalamani. Da al qalamani, lost 2 pens. 2 pens were lost. So I will say qalamaya. Da qalamaya. So subhanallah, a lot of exercises. It's a bit of a big class here, but at least we covered everything. So we got a good practice from how to make it ya mutakallim, how to make the duals in the mansub, marfu, majroor forms. Inshallah, there's still a lot more to learn from this lesson. So we're going to continue the exercise from next class again. So what I request to everybody is write the exercises. Very, very important. If these have to be registered in your brain, so that you don't forget when you open the Quran, so that everything is very clear, crisp clear in your brain. So please write it. Until then, I'll see you again in the next class. Until then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.